In this example, we're asked to complete the square with an expression where the coefficient of x squared is not equal to 1. So our example is 2x squared minus 8x plus 10. And the first thing we do is we factor out the coefficient of the x squared, in this case the 2. And we're left inside with x squared minus 4x plus 5. Now what we'll do is ignore the 2 that's out the front and we'll complete the square for the expression inside the bracket. So our first step is to ask what is half the value of the coefficient of x, in this case half of negative 4. And of course that value is negative 2. But what we also do is we put the 2 that we originally factored out the front and put that outside a square bracket to show that we're completing the square for the expression inside. So it's x minus 2 all squared. And the next thing that we do is we take away the square of the value inside the round bracket. So in this case, taking away 2 squared. The next thing we do is attach the positive 5 at the end. So we leave that as it was in the first round bracket. And now we'll simplify the expression inside the square bracket. So minus 2 squared becomes minus 4. And then minus 4 plus 5 simplifies to be plus 1. Now that's not the final version of completing the square. What we now need to do is expand with the 2 that's outside the square bracket. So we multiply it out to become 2 outside of x minus 2 all squared and then plus 2. If we're asked to graph this expression, which of course is a quadratic equation, our turning point would be positive 2, as shown here in light blue. So ignore the value inside the bracket as being negative 2. That's actually x minus positive 2. So our turning point is positive 2, positive 2.